Speaks Mondays with Megan. I have a great tech tip for my shoppers out there. Now wait, this is for your personal use and personal devices, so don't be using this and signing up for stuff on your work device. But on your personal devices, check out CamelCamelCamel. This is not a paid advertisement for them. It's just a really popular tool that I've heard a lot of good things about and I've used personally. So what it does is it allows you to price track things on Amazon, and you can actually set alerts to see when it hits a certain price that you're looking for. So you can see price history, the trends, what the lowest price has been, and then actually get an alert when it hits the price that you want. So just a great tool to use for shopping on Amazon. I hope you guys have a absolutely wonderful holiday season, and as always, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will see you all in 2026.